Most people get this wrong when shopping at Target, and it quietly costs them a lot of money over time. They think a Target gift card and a Target RedCard are basically the same thing. But here's the truth no one tells you. They work completely differently, and choosing the wrong one can mean missing out on real savings every single purchase. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Target gift cards and the Target RedCard compare in 2026, which one saves you more money, and which one actually fits your shopping style. By the end, you'll know which option is smarter for you, whether you shop once a month or every week. Let's start simple. A Target gift card is basically prepaid money. You load it once, and you spend until it hits zero. That's it. No discounts, no rewards, no extra benefits. It's perfect for gifting, budgeting, or controlling spending. If Alex loads a $100 gift card, he can only spend that $100. Simple and strict. But here's where it gets interesting. The Target RedCard, now known as the Target Circle card, is completely different. It's a payment card linked to your bank account or credit line. And the big benefit? You automatically get 5% off on almost every purchase at Target, both in-store and online. Now here's the key difference most people miss. A gift card saves you nothing up front. A RedCard saves you money every time you swipe. But here's the problem. Not everyone should rush into the RedCard. If you struggle with overspending or credit discipline, the RedCard credit version can backfire. You might save 5%, but lose more by buying things you don't need. This is where Jake's story fits in. He signed up for savings but ended up overspending during every sale. Now here's where it gets interesting again. There are actually two versions of the RedCard, debit and credit. The debit version pulls directly from your bank account, so there's no credit risk, but you still get that 5% discount plus occasional extra perks like free shipping online. So which one is better in 2026? If you want discipline, budgeting control, or gifting, the Target gift card is the safer option. But if you shop at Target regularly and want consistent savings, the RedCard almost always wins in long-term value. Here's the simple takeaway. Gift cards control spending. RedCard reduces spending. And choosing between them depends on one thing. Do you want to limit yourself or save every time you shop? If this helped you understand the difference clearly, hit like, drop a comment with which one you use, and subscribe for more simple money breakdowns that actually help you save in real life.